The impact of AI technology on our lives cannot be denied. With the potential to automate and enhance certain tasks, it also creates a series of threats to the employment of people in various sectors. The jobs that are most at risk of being replaced by AI and automation typically fall into the following 5 categories. Number 1. Repetitive and routine tasks. Jobs that involve repetitive and routine tasks are more susceptible to automation, meaning that if your job is to do the same thing over and over in a factory, you better start learning something new and valuable on the market to save yourself from unemployment. And this applies to some low-level administrative roles too, as they require minimum human adaptability and creativity. Number 2. Basic customer service. You don't have to wait for the future to see it. It's already here and have already replaced a lot of low-level employees, which honestly could do a lot better use of their brains and their skills. Seriously, I can think that the best thing a person can do is answering to the phone using a series of pre-made answers. You are better than this, really. Number 3. Basic data analysis. How can you think to calculate and analyze data faster and more reliably than a computer? A CPU does millions of calculations in the same time you are reaching to your phone to open the calculator app, and analyzes data a lot faster than most of us can imagine. So you have to stop competing with the machine and start using it as your advantage. And I think this will heavily impact on certain roles in finance sooner than you can expect. Number 4. Transportation. The rise of autonomous vehicles and drones could potentially disrupt jobs in transportation, including taxi drivers, truck drivers, and delivery drivers. It's a matter of time, but sooner or later autonomous drone will bring most of the things we buy directly where we need at a fraction of the transportation cost, and autonomous vehicles will replace our cars the same way 100 years ago cars replaced horses. Number 5. Basic customer support. Basic customer support and help desk jobs are already automated with chatbots and AI-powered systems. Soon we will see chatbots capable to communicate in a so convincing way that it will be difficult for us to tell the difference between an AI and a human operator. Now, it's important to understand that while AI and automation may lead to job displacement in some areas, they will also create new and interesting opportunities. But this is a topic for another video, so like, share, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Until next time.
What am I?